Hey everyone, this is Carl with Stonehouse Foundation Repair. Today we're doing a house here in San Antonio and wanted to teach you something. So when you have a brick home, so this house has a brick veneer. This is considered a veneer. You have brick on the back, on the outside of the house, right? You're gonna see these little holes every 4 or 5 brick apart. And those are called weepholes, okay? Some people I see, they don't know what they are and they cover them up. You don't wanna cover these up. What happens is if you ever have a leak inside the wall or from your roof and it drips down behind the brick, if you don't have weepholes, there's no way to get that moisture out. So if you ever see water coming out of here, that's a problem. You have an issue of moisture getting behind your wall, and that's something that needs to be resolved, but it's not gonna be resolved by patching this hole. So if you have weepholes, don't ever patch them. Sometimes you'll see them up on top. This one has the vertical bricks, those are called soldiers. Sometimes you'll see weepholes up there as well, but a lot of times they just put them on the bottom. So don't cover them up. You could put steel wool in them, just pack steel wool, that'll keep the little critters out, but don't patch them with concrete, don't put foam. Just pack a little bit of steel wool in there and you'll be good.